A trade transaction is essentially when we, as an inventorying dealer, accept a client's current aircraft in exchange for another aircraft. Typically, trade transactions involve a client going up in size or caliber or capability or newer in age, and we trade aircraft for aircraft. So we take in an aircraft plus some cash for the upgraded aircraft, just like you oftentimes would trade your car in at a car dealership. At this point in time, trades are becoming ever more important and frankly are very active in our world, mostly because the market is moving so fast. It enables us to be, number one, very aggressive on the values we're giving for trade-in aircraft. As important, however, is the time, and the time it takes to complete a trade basically takes two transactions and makes it one. You're doing one contract, not two. You're doing with one invested partner, not bilateral interests trying to sell one airplane and buy another with disconnected parties. You also typically have coincidental pre-buy inspections that are going on at once. You can virtually cut a transaction timeline in half. And in a market as efficient as the one that exists today, it's particularly important because clients are going to feel the year end approaching fast, knowing they need to execute on a plan and don't want to be holding two aircraft, for example, when they only need one. The heavy demand at this point in time is in the Americas. And frankly speaking, the supply that exists in the Americas is not adequate to fulfill the demand, which means we have to go abroad to buy qualified inventory and bring it into the United States so that clients are confident in the aircraft that they're evaluating and trade with us. We're taking that burden off the client. We're investing in the success of that aircraft getting into the more proper venue for its resale. And having boots on the ground in China, Russia, Europe, the Middle East, Africa, all of which are countries we bought airplanes out of recently, have enabled us to be ahead of our competitors in identifying opportunities for clients that we know will be suitable for that aircraft. For decades, Jetcraft has served as a trading partner for the world's ultra-high net worth individuals and public companies. Our deal resume has been established by transparent, equitable business practices, financial capabilities of taking in trade large aircraft, and a global reach from a supply of new and pre-owned options for clients to be able to replace aircraft with. That history, that financial depth, that transaction experience is what has given us a great amount of repeat clients and 60 years in business.